Fishing with Chris. Today we're gonna be fishing with our boat and with some wax worms. And we're right next to a construction zone, which means we might not catch some fish.
All right, now just let him sit for a minute.
Oh, it's already moving. It's already moving.
Now, you turn that way. Oh, they're trying. Oh, they might have got our worm. No, he's still trying. Might be a little bitty guy. Okay, move your boat. Yeah, move it just a little bit. Oh, you gotta pull. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hang on. You've got a fish. Pull him in. Did he get? No, he's still on there. Look out.
Should I bring it towards?
Yeah, pull him in. Oh my gosh. Check it out.
Oh, he's wiggling.
Yeah, hold him up there.
Oh,
We caught a fish right away.
Oh, he's hungry. Look at him dance.
Okay, we gotta take him off of the line.